This video is a demonstration to introduce the Mobilitapp tool, developed by the Mobilitapp project in collaboration with the ATM. The first time you open the app, you will be prompted to enable GPS and storage access, which you must enable for the correct operation of the app. You will also be asked to enter your age and gender. This will be only used for statistics of urban mobility and can be modified later if necessary. The app has two operation modes, data and trip. The Generate Data screen is used to collect samples for later use by the machine learning prediction algorithm. It's important that you only use the specified method of transport during the trip, since using more than one, for instance, walking then picking up a car, will render the data invalid and may even throw off future predictions. We especially appreciate data from bicycles, e-bikes, motorbikes, and scooters, but data generated from any transport is welcome. When you are ready to start collecting data, press the Start button and select the type of vehicle. Once the trip has finished, press the Stop button. In case you mistakenly choose the wrong transport mode or believe that the sample is inadequate, you can discard it using the red button. If the sample is acceptable, you can send it to the server using the green button. Now let's see the trip screen. Here we can see the predictions in real time, while we travel using different transportation modes. When you are ready, you can press the Start button and the map will start updating, drawing the routes taken with the detected vehicle. At the bottom left, you can see the estimated CO2 consumption and the distance traveled. Once you finish the tracking, a pop-up will show you a summary of your trip. After that, if the model rightfully detected the transport you used, you can upload the sample. Otherwise, you may choose to discard the trip. Your data is treated unanimously, guaranteeing privacy. Your anonymous data gathered from your smartphone's accelerometer, magnetometer, and gyroscope will help us design a tool to analyze the mobility behavior in the city and to improve sustainable urban mobility. Thank you for your collaboration.